Hello, this is Jeremy.
And I'm Jace.
Today we're going to open a box of 2017 Classic Football.
We should get about 2 hits.
Yep, 1 auto and 1 mem per box.
So let's get cracking.
We got 10 cards per pack, 14 packs per box. It's our first time opening this stuff, so we'll see how it goes. Pack number 1. Some base cards. Gerard Davis rookie card. Super Bowl heroes, Pittsburgh Steelers. Len Dawson on the back. Next pack. Vontae's Perfect, Joe Flacco. Filler. Super Bowl heroes, Torrey Holt. Record breakers, Franco Harris. And some more base cards.
Amari Cooper, Keenan Allen, Stephon Diggs, Eric Dickerson.
Numbered to 299.
Patrick Peterson and Richard Sherman.
Classic clashes.
Bucky Hodges, Eddie George, Lawrence Taylor, Christian Okoye, Bo Jackson.
Jordan Howard, Marvin Jones, Randall Cobb. Another filler. Deshaun Jackson, numbered to 10. 6 of 10. Wow.
That's pretty nice.
Super Bowl heroes, Len Dawson. Marshawn Lattimore, Dwight Clark, Doug Flutie, Roger Craig, and Drew Pearson.
LaShawn McCoy,
And Ndamukong Suh.
Jared Goff, Brett Favre, Brian
Urlacher.
Oh.
He's a little before your time, bud. The next level, Terry Bradshaw.
Davis Webb, Franco Harris, Dave Wilcox, Emmitt Smith,
Enos Williams. Delaney Walker, Dak Prescott, Vince Wilfork. Filler. Kareem Hunt, numbered to 299. It's a nice card from Toledo. Career colors, Emmitt Smith from the Dallas Cowboys and the Arizona Cardinals. Sidney Jones, Ted Hendricks, Jim Kick, Dexter Manley, and Brian Urlacher.
Robert Kelly, Allen Robinson, Cam Newton. Ooh.
Flashback Fabric. Ooh, Boomer Esiason. Numbered to 399.
Pretty nice card. We should have a auto left. Idolize, Peyton Manning, and Andrew Luck. Isaiah Ford, Rob Woodson, Rogers
Staubach.
Ricky Williams, Carl Eller.
Russell Wilson, Luke Kuechly, Emmanuel Sanders. Filler, Dick LeBeau, Super Bowl heroes, Ben Roethlisberger. Obi Melifonwu, Michael Strahan, Dan Marino, Dick LeBeau, and Peyton Manning.
Andy Dalton, Mike Evans, Joe Hayden, Peyton Manning.
Record breakers, 71,940 passing yards.
Joe Hayden, Josh Malone, Heath Miller, Andre Reed, Dan Hampton, Ken Stabler.
Brandon Marshall, Spencer Ware, Terrell Pryor. Another filler. DeAndre Hopkins, numbered to 299. Up here in the corner. Record breaker, Sebastian Janikowski, 1,799 points. Team record for the Raiders. Cameron Sutton, rookie card. John Randall, Mark Gastineau, John Elway, and Dermontti Dawson. So what do you think of these cards so far?
Good.
They have that old school look to them, hence the name Classic. This is what I grew up looking at, was this style of card.
Kirk Cousins, Phillip Rivers, Aaron Rodgers, Super Bowl heroes, Steve Young, Brett Favre, and Aaron Rodgers, classic clashes.
Elijah Qualls,
Joe Green, Joe Namath, Marshall Falk, Icky Woods.
Icky Woods. The Icky Shuffle. He used to do that. Alright, we got 3 packs left. Leonard Floyd, Torrey Smith, Jordy Nelson, another filler. Derek Brooks, numbered to 299. Super Bowl heroes, Malcolm Butler. Zach Cunningham, rookie. Champ Bailey, Jim Plunkett, Raymond Berry, and Fran Tarkenton.
TJ Yeldon, Ryan Tannehill, Tyrann Mathieu. Ooh, Sterling Sharpe auto card.
750 of 2,000.
That must be a lot of cards.
On the back it says 750 of 2,000, but on the front it says 8 of 18. So it's dual numbered. We'll have to look up some information on that. Nice card.
The next level, Marvin Harrison, John Ross, Randy Moss, Harry Carson, Boomer
Esiason.
Ed Too Tall Jones.
Last pack. Melvin Gordon, Ryan Matthews, James Harrison. Filler, Ted Williams, rookie card. Idolized, Howie Long, Chris Long, father and son. Brian Hill, rookie. Y.A. Tittle. Steve Largent, Charlie Trippy, and Eric Dickerson. So, we got our Sterling Sharpe auto, Numbered on both sides.
But different type of numbered.
Yeah, 8 of 18. And then 750 of 2000.
Which is pretty weird.
And our last card, Boomer Esiason Flashbacks Fabrics. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, we'll see ya.